Hi, I'm Dr. Ann. I have been helping women get pregnant for 17 years. And today I want to chat with you about the link between your mind and infertility. I have seen so many patients over the years that have been doing everything right. They changed their diet, they tracked their ovulation to a T. They tried IVF, IUI, acupuncture, supplements, and still no baby. So why hadn't it worked yet? Well, your body was designed to protect you, and it listens to the messages coming from your mind, especially fear. When the mind senses fear, worry, disappointment, unworthiness, impatience, if you look at those underneath the surface, fear is at the base of them, isn't it? Yes. So when that happens, the body gets the message now is not safe for pregnancy because fear is our survival emotion. And we were never meant to feel fear all of the time. We even stress is rooted in fear. We weren't meant to live like this. But now, this modern society, it's happening all the time. Okay. And it's not conscious. This is a subconscious protection loop that we all have. And no amount of kale or progesterone can override it. So, just to help understand, trying to conceive in fear is sort of like trying to plant seeds in frozen soil because it just won't allow it to happen. Your subconscious is the thermostat. So if it's set to not safe, your body is going to follow that, even if your heart says yes, even if your conscious mind says yes, even if you want this more than anything on the conscious level, the subconscious fear loop is always going to win. And that's why IVF and IUI have 30 to 40% success rates. Those aren't very high success rates because they are not actually going in and trying to heal the root causes that are keeping women from getting pregnant before they try those methods. I am not trying to diss IVF and IUI, but what I am saying is they don't speak to the root cause and they don't heal the root cause of infertility. Okay? You're not failing. Your mind just hasn't caught up to the life that you're trying to create yet. And I give this a name and I call it pregnancy avoidance syndrome. And it's a subconscious pattern where the body unconsciously resists pregnancy even when you're doing everything right. But here's the best news. This pattern doesn't have to be permanent. Once we rewire the fear and reestablish safety and aligned your body and your mind and your emotions, your body begins to open again. So 95% of your daily choices, reactions, and psychological responses come from your subconscious mind, not your logical mind. Excuse me. That means we have to go deeper than the conscious mind. We have to go deeper than daily to-do lists. We have to go deeper than all of the things that I previously mentioned before. We have to reprogram what's happening underneath the surface so that your body consistently gets. Now, we're never going to eliminate all fear, and nor would we want to because it is a protective mechanism. But what we do want to do is we want to minimize it. We want to minimize the fear. We want to minimize the worry. And people who tell you just to stop stressing and you'll get pregnant, that's very bad advice because it is not possible when it's something that you want more than anything in the world. Of course, that's going to be stressful. But when you actually get in and rewire the subconscious programming, that's when things start to shift on a real level and a sustainable level. I hope this helps. Tune back in. I will keep bringing tips and tricks. I'm trying to keep them as short as possible while still giving you really good information that you can use. If you have a topic you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon.